everyone, today I want to share a special day out with my parents. It was such a great experience and I can't wait to tell you all about it. We started our adventure in the afternoon taking the bus. I couldn't help but laugh because my mom and dad were observing each and every person on the bus with such a curiosity. But finally we reached VMC. After hydrating ourselves, I decided to take them underground to see the subway station. We hopped on the subway for a few stops so just I could show them how I commute to the college every day. They were happy and excited. They were behaving like children and it was heartwarming to see their smiles. After our subway adventure, we headed to Ikea, but before entering, we followed our ritual of having masala chai. There is something special about the spicy aromatic tea that just sets the mood right. Finally, we stepped into IKEA. Inside the store, my parents were like kids in a candy store. They observed everything with wide eyes and big smiles. We took a sweet break to enjoy some treats before resuming our shopping. And by the end of it, we were so tired from walking and exploring. To wrap up our day, we enjoyed some delicious vegetarian hot dog and refreshing drinks. It was the perfect way to end our adventure. We were exhausted but happy. Thank you for watching and sharing this special day with us.